Right now I'm in Porvorim. Just came here to try one cafe. It's right next to Snip Salon and Spa. So we'll go inside and try the menu. I'll give you the review how the food and the taste is. Let's see what they have in the menu. क्या है इवनिंग स्नैक के लिए? कचौरीज और मैंने एक्चुअली लंच स्किप किया है और मेरे को ऐसे कुछ उसके बीच में मिलेगा स्नैक और लंच ऐसे कुछ।
तो नाश्ता में कर लीजिए, जैसे छोला भटूरा है, पूरी भाजी है, पाव भाजी है।
हाँ, छोले भटूरे ट्राई करते हैं। छोले भटूरे एक देना। और क्या है ऐसे? डोसा। डोसा ओके, ठीक है, एक छोले भटूरे कर देना और एक मसाला चाय। I'll taste the food and give you review. How's the taste? So, if it's good, next time if you are in Porvorim, you can give a try. I've seen 4+ rating on Swiggy, so I decided to try this. In terms of cleaning, everything is kept neatly. Wow! The bhature is quite big. See the size of bhature. And it's round. Crazy it looks. There is chole here. Salad is given. Mirchi. And this is Punjabi achar it looks like. Okay. Let's give a try. They gave a pretty decent big fulka. Dark. There's a Punjabi pickle. See the size of the bhature, quite big. So I personally try and tell you how is the taste. I'm packed with one bhatura only. There's one more remaining. I'm figuring it out whether to eat or not. The bhature was tasty. Now, according to the price, what they are charging, we can really judge and say whether it's worth that so much for the amount they are charging. Because I have tried several places for bhature in different price ranges. Now for the amount they have charged, is it worth? Because of the diversion, all the traffic is going from here and this road became very busy. For almost 6 months it will be like this. Oh, see that guy how he's going. Poor cops have to bear this sound here whole day. Pee, 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 pee. Yes, let's drink chai. Later I'll cook. Hanji. 414. 414, yes. So I will give you the review accordingly once I'm out. The taste was pretty decent of chole bhature, but it's not worth the price what I was paid. You get the same bhature in normal outlets some places for 150, less than 200. There is Chaat the Hatti in Vasco. I tried there somewhere for 120 rupees and the mind-blowing crazy chole bhature they had made. Now spending 400 rupees, it is not even close to that. So yes, Chaat the Hatti is actually a good place if someone wants to try North Indian snack items. Rasoda is decent, but for the price what they are charging is little expensive. 415 rupees or something. They 420 rupees they took for chai water bottle. Water bottle is 70, chai is 50. So rest something 350 somewhere close to that they took for chole bhature. In that price it was not worth. The taste was decent, it was not wow kind of thing. I ate only 1.5 bhature. Delhi even I tried for 60 rupees or 50 rupees. That was even more mind-blowing tasty it was. The rest is up to you. If you want to still want to give a try, you can come and explore it. In terms of taste it is not bad, I'm telling once again. It is decent, but it's not matching with the price. That's it. So see you in another vlog. Until then, take care. Bye bye.